today when I had to go on a nature walk, but because there's nothing in here, the ticks has like something a little tiny, but it's not in my head, my hand, arms, my legs, and also because try to make sure there's like something dirty because we walk to explore, going on trail where we go to, and then we checked off to see there's no tree stump, no feathers, and no come on, think of something, come on. Let's see, I'm thinking. Come on.
This was a particularly prickly case. Are you waking up from here? I think once these dogs recover from their sedation and get their anti-inflammatories in, they'll be fine.
Okay, I can't think of something either. All right, anyway, we did a lot of talking about some of the food groups, so then we found out. So if I can't reach that for the vegetables, that means no. Because I had 2 with broccoli and corn.